Don't be worried, take it easy. Let's welcome Apple. Apple originated in Europe, Central Asia, and Xinjiang region. It was introduced to China during the Yuan dynasty. At that time, only the royal family could enjoy it. The word apple in Chinese is pengguo. It was translated from pangpo, a Sanskrit word which was originally mentioned in ancient Indian Buddhist texts. The transliteration of pingguo was first seen in a fruit encyclopedia during the Ming Dynasty. Influenced by the Chinese culture, apple in Japanese is ringo, but actually, ringo was just a Han Dynasty fruit which was similar to apple. It was mostly used as an aroma in the past. In ancient Greece, apples were regarded as a sacred object of Venus. People sent apple to show their love. If you accept the apple, it means a yes. Plato once said, "I throw an apple to you, and if indeed you are willing to love me, then receive it, and let me taste your virgin charms. But if you are otherwise minded, which heaven forbid, take this very apple and see how short-lived all beauty is." That's it. Bye.